for my brain, money for my brain, dog, money for my brain, money for my brain.
Hey, thanks for tuning in to another video. We celebrated my baby girl turning 1 and we're just going to unbox some of her gifts. And she very much loved this dinosaur gift bag, so let's start off with it, okay? Alright, so we have this gift from, there's no name attached, but we have this gift set with some cars, you know, it's dinosaur themed and me actually really loves dinosaurs, so this definitely comes in handy. And we have a baby's first blocks, so let's just see what's inside. All right, so I like these colors, they're bright and nice. So it's a set where you basically just fill in the shapes in this section. And I mean, Meep is now at the stage where, you know, everything we're going towards educational toys. So this will definitely come in handy for her development. I'm going to just put one of the shapes in so that you have like a better idea of how exactly it works. So we're gonna go with the circle, right? And you basically just push it through there. You know, the other letters and the other shapes won't be able to fit into it. So it's basically a toy that is really good for their development, and I'm actually happy that she received it. So thank you very much. That's gift number 1. Gift number 2. Oh, gift number 2 is from Tavia. So let's just see. It's a cube, something similar to the first gift. But let's see. This one has more letters, and I'm trying to open it to see exactly what's going on. Is this battery operated? I think it would be. Okay, so this one is actually battery operated. It has do re mi fa. So whenever I actually like put the batteries in here, I don't know if you can see, so there's a battery slot here, so whenever I put the batteries in, then she can just press on them. And here are, let me just pull one of the shape blocks again to show you. So it's a bit different from the first one, being that for this one you actually, it makes noise, so you put the A and it goes through. So thanks again, Tavia, and I know that she'll definitely enjoy these. You want us to pull this one? Yeah? Okay, let's go. Alright, so this one is from Kian, Akim, Aria, and Jojo. I must say Josiah. And I really love this gift paper and this gift wrap paper, so I'm gonna try my best to preserve it as best as possible. Mama, you're moving with your gifts, man. So I'm gonna try to be as careful as possible with this, because why use it again? You know, recycle. Yeah. That's what you want to open, Mama. We'll get to it soon. We'll get to it soon. Alright, so no, Mama, put down the phone. You won't be making any calls today. Not today. I know you're excited to call your friends to let them know that you got gifts, but not today. Alright, so this is oh, it has this the stocking cups. It has the building blocks as well, and similar to the other 2 toys, you have, well, this one comes with a ball where you can actually put the shapes and the numbers in, right? So this is like multiple activities, right? So yes, thanks to the Ashman family. And let me see, let's get this one. we're saving the big one for last, so let's get this one. Yeah. Alright, so while I'm busy opening this, Meepa's gone ahead to open her favorite because it's a big box, so I'm guessing that she likes that one. Alright, so this is from Richie, and this is a bath kneeler, which really and truly comes in handy for parents or whoever is bathing Meep at the time. Especially now that she's so busy in the bath, and you want to have like a good grip while you're bathing her, then it really comes in handy. So thanks for that, Richie. As the video goes on, you'll see the pictures of the items coming up. I'll also put the link for the gifts that were purchased from Amazon in the description section. So if you know you need something like that for your kid, then you can easily have access to it. So yes, this is what's in it. You see all these bright colors? Yes. All right, so this again is from Richie, and these are all toys that, you know, can further her development. And there is something else that was purchased as well. That is actually a tooth and gum cleanser for her, so you know when them can't manage that harsh toothpaste that we use, and the little soft toothbrush. So we're moving on to the final gift, the biggest gift, Meep's favorite box to push around the house. So let's go. For this one, honestly, a few changes will have to be made in the house. Right, so for this, it's actually a chair, right? And honestly, at this point, I'm gonna start charging me for rent, because you know she bring furniture into the house now. This is so soft and comfortable, and we actually use it for her birthday photo shoot. Right, you see, it is so comfortable, and the best part about it is that if it ever gets dirty, then you can always, you know, unzip it, take off the case, wash it with a hand wash, throw it in the machine, whatever you want. But this, so soft and comfortable. Come, baby girl, come sit on your throne. Here you go. You like it? You like it? Yes. Another gift as well was this suit. It actually comes with like a headband, but then she wasn't having it, right? So we changed it to this headband. But I'm going to drop the link in the description. Alright, I'll leave you alone. We're going to drop the link in the description for this. Another gift of hers was actually a photography kit set. The candle on her birthday cake and the balloons that were used on that. Thanks, Lovern, for that. It really came in handy because we did a photo shoot at home. And I mean, there are so many other things we have in store for me and that photography backdrop. So that gift really and truly, you know, is like something that will serve her continuously. Right? I think that's it. I hope I'm not leaving out anyone. Am I? No. As you can see, Meep is restless. She wants to play with her toys now. So guys, you can just go ahead and like, share, subscribe. I mean, it's a blessing for me to actually get to her 1 year mark. And we're looking forward to next year. A bigger, better celebration, more gifts, just pure enjoyment. Alright? Thanks for tuning in.